Okay, these are some of the photos of the auto threader for the brother. And you could take a look how they look together. Now you're going to see the different parts. I'm going to show you each photo. You could stop the video. Usually they fall off in 3 parts. Now this knobula here goes up into the machine. There's a channel that it goes into. You put it together like this. This I call the dog bone. Then you push this. Push it till it comes together like this. Here's the area where the shaft goes through. Okay, everybody see these parts? Here's the knobule that goes up into a channel that stays with the machine. And here's the part that goes through the needle's eye, right here. And I recommend this area here, you push up on each day you're going to use the machine. A lot of times on me, I did a video with 40 thread changes, and each time a thread change you snap this comes down and up to put pull the thread through. Anyway, all right, here's a close-up of the part I was showing you that goes through the needle's eye. And right here, there's an opening, a hook, like a bird's mouth. And this thread goes up in there. It's another shot. You can see the hook here, the bird's mouth, where the thread goes up into. That's the eye of the needle. Something about needles. This area here and here, after so many thousands of stitches, the thread actually makes this jagged on both sides. All right, here's the thread through the eye. That's the needle to hook. That's the hook, and that's the needle's eye. That's the hook. With the needle all the way down, and the thread through the needle's eye. When the needle starts up, the hook goes through the loop that's made. Here you see the hook past the needle, grabbing the thread. This is the number 6. That's the needle shaft. See this clip right here? When you pull the thread, I use 2 hands, left hand up here, and the loose end of the thread, my right hand, I pull it into the number 6, it clicks. This moves back, and it clicks and captures it. This is a mirror, and I'm looking up. And you can see this little part here, which is here, and that moves back as the thread passes past it. Needle moving up, and here's the hook coming around. There's a loop here. You could stop the camera and look at this, and if you know how to do a screenshot, now's the time to do it. There's a sensor here. Any of these you could stop. There's the hook, the point of the hook.